Hello everyone, in this video we will see a project on PDF, like how to work on PDF, and we will be seeing combining a project on combining selected pages from many PDFs and saving it in one PDF. So in this project at high level, the programmer should find all the files in a current working directory. Then we have to sort all the file names which are not which are PDF. Then write each PDF excluding first page from each PDF to the output file. So here what we will do is, first we will import OS module, and os.list directory will list all the PDF files and all the files from the working directory, and then remove all non-PDF files from it. And then sort function will use to sort the files in alphabetical order. Then create PDF file writer object so that output PDF can be written. Then loop over all the PDF files, create PDF file redirector object, and based on the loop on each files, remove first page or ignore first page from the PDFs, means from all the PDFs. Then remaining pages should be added to the PDF. Then write the output to the file called allminutes.pdf. So steps to do this is, first step we will find all the PDF files. Second step, open each file, means open each PDF file, then add each page from the all PDF to one PDF and save the result. So if we go for execution of the program, so here is our program where we'll see the explanation of program. In the first we will import py pdf2 module and os module for listing the directories. Then create a PDF file data structure for all the files or for the file names in OS list directory. If file name ends with .pdf, then PDF files append in file name. So PDF files will be appended with the file names which are all having .pdf directory. So PDF files sort will sort all the PDF files in alphabetical order. So PDF writer, we are creating an object for PDF writer. py pdf2.pdf file writer is a function for creating object for file names in PDF files. So all the file names from PDF files, the PDF files which has the PDF file list from the list of files which we got through OS list directory. So PDF file object is equal to open file name in read mode. So PDF reader is equal to py pdf2.pdf file reader with file object. So the file object created for each and every file in every loop of for loop, we will create one reader object. So for page numbers in range 1 to PDF reader dot page numbers. So PDF reader is an object for each and every file. According to the file what it is open, it will take the page number from 1 to last page number. So it will get you the page numbers, number of pages, and 1 because you have to ignore first page. So 0th index will be indicating first page, it ignores the page 1. So page 2 will be started with the index 1. So page object is equal to PDF reader dot get page with page number. So based on the page number, page object is created. With the help of page object, PDF write dot add page will write the page object to the add page in the new PDF. So whatever add page is done with the new PDF will be saved in new file by creating an PDF output with the help of opening a new PDF file in write mode. And after writing the PDF output to the after writing the PDF output to the file which you open newly, if you close the file, then all the data from all the PDFs in that directory will be copied to the new file called allminutes.pdf. So pdfwriter.write method is used to write PDF output. So PDF writer is an object for page object, and write method will write to the object of PDF output. So PDF output.close will close the function. If we run the module, once the program execution is done, if we go for program directory, then we will be having a this is the root directory of the program where combined PDFs program is written, and meeting minutes 2 are the two files. All minutes is a file which contains data which is saved from previous PDFs. So minutes will have first page, but all minutes first page is ignored from this and second page is loaded. So we can compare with this, and number of pages here is 19, but number of pages here is 38. So if I open one more PDF file present in this folder, it has number of pages 21. So first page here, and removing the first page from second file and removing the first page from first file, it has 18 pages and 20 pages. 18 plus 20 will be 38 pages, which is the merged PDF. So I hope you understood the topic. Thank you.